President Lyndon B. Johnson enacted Hispanic Heritage Week to celebrate the histories, cultures, and contributions of American citizens whose ancestors came from Spain, Mexico, the Caribbean, and Central and South America.
President Ronald Reagan expanded the observation in 1988 to cover 30-day period
I was
starting on
recording
September
Eileen.
15 and ending on October 15, and renamed it National Hispanic Heritage Month.
Today, students from the advisory classes in our school will be presenting biographies, songs, poems, and dances to celebrate National Hispanic Heritage
There's a
Month.
guy.
We know you will enjoy and be edified by what you see today. First, Mr. Gary Berry's class will perform a dance to Odio featuring Drake.
It's popping. Stop making me so manageable. And just stop making me so manageable. I know, right?
Yo fui el llanto, él hizo sonrisar.
You been the one from the moment I seen it. That's what I question it. This is our road. Look like you talking about running on you. You look like running some young, so both put together. That's what's good. I know from back home. If you saw them, you get it. Look, don't worry about it. Keep thinking Spanish like any church lady. Oh, you my baby. Anything for you. Anything for you. I do not want to be enemies. I was just trying to give you a baby. And find you a house, so I live with you, baby. I'm staying with this new guy. I really go crazy. I really go crazy.
Odio a mi
showstopper right here. That's a hard act to follow right there.
The day of September 15 is significant because it is the anniversary of independence for Latin American countries, Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, and Nicaragua. In addition, Mexico, Chile, and Belize celebrate their independence days on September 16, September 18, and September 21, respectively.
We're recording.
There we go, better. Mr. Wynn's class worked very hard on some videos that we were going to show, on the video we were going to show today. Unfortunately, because of the brightness, we're not going to be able to see it on the screen. So we'll be sending that to your advisory teachers, and we ask advisory teachers, please project and show the video during your advisory class today, okay?
National Hispanic Heritage Month also celebrates the long and important presence of Hispanic and Latino Americans in North America, starting with the European discovery of America by Christopher Columbus in 1492. That presence stretches from the small outpost of San Francisco found in the desolate wilderness of Alta California in 1776, through the Spanish Providence of Texas with its vaqueros, cowboys, to the Spanish fortress of St. Augustine, Florida, the first continuous European settlement in North America, founded in 1565.
Our 6th grade classes will now present some art and some biographies that relate to National Hispanic Heritage.
Jenny Guerrero, birthday was July 20, no, 12, and her birthday was on September 9, 2004. Our biography is about Shakira. She was born on February 6, 1977. Shakira is the highest selling Colombian artist of all time. Around the age of 10, Selena became the lead singer in her family band, Selena Quintanilla.
Chicharito or Javier Hernandez is a Mexican football player who plays as a forward.
His name is Bessie.
Spanish is the name of the game. A little español and a little of inglés. Un poquito upside down, otro poquito al revés. Quería escribir something different, algo que no one has written. Un poema from the heart, pero en Spanish. Not sure how to start. Si te parece algo curioso as to why lo he decidido, just keep reading y sabrás. Nothing written is for you. Does it really rhyme? O tal vez no importa realmente. Why is it que estás leyendo algo realmente? If my poem te ha traído una sonrisa, entonces slow down, porque vas tan deprisa. El poder leer en español y en inglés es una virtud. Don't knock it until you try it. I would. Can you?
God made you brown, we have color bronze, color raza, connecting you to your raíces, your story, historia, as you begin moving towards your future. God made you brown, we have color bronze, beautiful, strong, reminding you of the goodness de tu mamá, de tus abuelas, y de tus antepasados. God made you brown, to wear as a crown, for you are royalty, a princess, la raza nueva, the people of the sun. As it is the color of Chicana women, leaders, madres of Chicana warriors, luchando por la paz y la justicia. God wants you to understand brown is not a color, it is a state of being, a very human texture, alive, full of song, world, which is for everyone. Finally, mija, God wants you to learn her favorite colors.